If you're trying to find a real Hostinger coupon code, this short Hostinger review will show you the easiest way to get the best deal. Hostinger is currently running discounts across all of its plans, and when you use my link in the description or scan the QR code on screen, you'll unlock an extra 20% discount plus 3 extra months added to your plan. In this Hostinger review, you get strong performance, a free domain, free SSL, daily backups, light-speed servers, and the Hostinger website builder, which makes launching a website really simple. And if the prices aren't showing in your local currency, just click the flag icon in the top right corner and choose your country. The prices will update instantly. Hostinger is often recommended as one of the best web hosting options, and you're also protected with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So, if you want to use the latest Hostinger coupon code, get the extra 20% off and 3 additional months, tap the link below or scan the QR code.